Hey guys, welcome back to Lights Camera Bake, my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Emma and this is my channel, so welcome. It's been a while since I've done a face-to-face video, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, lots have been going on. I think it was before Christmas that I did this, so I went back to New Zealand. I'm now back in Australia. Right now I'm in the process of moving, so there's literally nothing in the cupboards. Have a look at this. So that's happening, moving tomorrow. Oh, I'm blurry. So I'm moving, just started university and I'm already stressed, so I'm going to stress bake today. And you're probably wondering, how the heck are you going to do that when there's nothing in your cupboards? I have a very simple 4 ingredient recipe today that's no bake as well, and we're just going to go with that. And this recipe will be linked below, like the proper recipe will be linked below on my blog, so make sure you go and check that out for the actual recipe. It's delicious, it's sweet, it's chocolatey, it's fudgy. We're making the bird. We're making a zebra fudge, a white chocolate swirl fudge, whatever you want to call it. Ignore the bird. Ignore the bird, ignore the bird. Okay, so it's going to be a chocolate fudge and a white chocolate fudge, and they're going to be swirled together. Place it in the, I was going to say the oven, we don't place it in the oven. Place it in the fridge, let it set, and we can eat the whole pan because I'm here by myself. And if you make it at home with me, you can too, because who cares? So, I also have some fake nails on today. Ooh, look at that, pretty. Weird. I'm not a fake nail kind of person, but I have such a bad habit of biting my nails, and with everything that's going on, obviously I've been more stressed and my nails are just shocking, and I really want to try and stop myself. No one asked for your opinion. I really wanted to try and stop myself from biting my nails. So, you know, fake nails, can't actually get to my nails, so I'll stop biting them and hopefully I'll stop for good. Fingers crossed. So this is going to be interesting trying to bake with these. I don't know, I've never done it before. We'll see. That bird is going to interrupt me the whole time, so I apologise in advance if you hear this freaking bird, because it's frustrating and it's annoying, but there's nothing I can do about it. Alright, let's get started on the recipe. So due to odd angles and everything, I'm going back behind the camera, but I am still here. See, fake nails and all. First of all, we're going to start with the white chocolate swirl. This is mainly due because I don't have multiple pans, so we're going to be using the same pan for both. And obviously white chocolate, when you mix it with dark, you're not going to know. And yeah, anyway, why am I talking? So first of all, we're going to go with the white chocolate. So there's going to be less white chocolate than dark chocolate fudge. This is just kind of swirled through. So for this, we're going to need about 150 grams, I believe, of white chocolate. Again, my scales are not here. So I'm going to wing this. Remember that the actual recipe is linked below in the description, so make sure that you look at the proper recipe. I've measured things enough that I can kind of gauge how much is 150 grams. It's probably going to be a bit more or less, but it should be fine. This is such a simple recipe. This is another reason why I'm making this, to show you guys baking can be simple. It can be done with minimal ingredients. It can be done without an oven. It can be done without many pots, pans, baking equipment. You know, you can do it with basically nothing. So I really want you to take that from this. I hope that you can realize that it can be super easy, super quick, super fun, and get baking, guys. Australia. Needless to say, it's been quite hot lately, so we have a cluster. Oh wow, and now we have them all around the kitchen, so that's fun. So next is condensed milk. Some people would call it a cheats fudge. I call it, no, kind of a cheats fudge, yeah. So we just take 1/3 of the container of condensed milk, and then we're going to just place it over heat and melt it together before adding some vanilla essence. So that's it melted. Now we just need to add a little bit of vanilla essence to this, just for a touch of vanilla flavour. So I'm going to transfer this to another bowl, and then I'm going to get started on the chocolate fudge. Now for the chocolate fudge, you're going to use the rest of the condensed milk, so that's about 2/3 to 3/4 of a tin, and a lot more chocolate, so around about 350 to 400 grams. Again, proper recipe linked below. Follow that. Right, so we have the chocolate version of the fudge. Just going to add some vanilla essence to that one as well. Look how smooth and creamy that fudge is. Amazing, and only 3 ingredients. So now for the fun. I take a container. I'm lucky I still have this one in the house, and pour the chocolate in. And I'm just going to pour it all around. Big puddle there. Now we just want to take the back of a teaspoon or a knife and just sort of swirl it throughout, just like so. You can make some dips and put more white chocolate in a dip. You can really do whatever you like. You could just layer this so that you've got a chocolate layer and a white chocolate layer. You could blob it around, but I'm just going to swirl. Now this is going to go in the fridge until it's set, so that'll probably take 2 or 3 hours, just because it's still quite warm from melting it all together. And then I'll come and visit you guys then. Oh, pretty. Oh. Look at the nails. The fudge has been sitting in the fridge, and it is now set. I'm hoping set enough to slice. It seems to be stuck in the pan. There we go. And look how beautiful it is. So I'm going to cut that up. I'll get some photos, of course. And then I'm going to devour this, watch some Netflix. I'm so zoomed on my face, it's not even funny. That's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you saw how easy, fast, quick and fast is the same thing. What is happening to me? How quick and easy this fudge is. It's only 4 ingredients. You need only like a pan to put it in, either a bowl or for the microwave, or a saucepan, and a spoon essentially is all you need. So please, I hope you make this. The full recipe, like I said, will be below. Please check it out and check out my blog and other recipes. Yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of me on camera, yeah, let me know. If you don't want to see me, please don't let me know, because it'll hurt my feelings. And subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.